Hello, hello guys. I'm here in front of the giant Ferries Wheel, the London Eye, here in London, England. Today is Tuesday, 11th December 2018, and those are the cabin capsule of the Ferries Wheel. Yeah, and what shall I say about the London Eye in England? London Eye is a giant. It is a giant Ferris wheel in the south bank of the River Thames in London. It is Europe's tallest Ferris wheel, the most popular paid tourist attraction in the United Kingdom, in over 3.75 million visitors annually. The London Eye rotates continuously, and the duration for a complete rotation takes, I think, about 30 minutes, due to the maximum amount of 24 visitors in one capsule. Capsule is those are the capsule. In one capsule, 25 visitors in one capsule. Up to 1,600 people can be transported this attraction within an hour. Within an hour, yeah. The original, the big giant, big wheel, 135 meters high, taking 30 minutes to travel. The London Eye is situated right at the tourist heart of London, opposite Big Ben by the River Thames. So this is the famous London Eye in England.
So if you just go up from there, you'll see.
You ready now then, or what? Or are you going to take that picture? Come on in. Oh.
Behind me is the famous London Eye here in England. I'm here to visit the castle, and inside there's famous London giant Ferris wheel.
Così facevo pure occhiali.
Today is Tuesday, 11th December 2018. Thank you for viewing my video, guys.